Subscribe to Dope Theft.
Of drivers who they say routinely shut down the intersection, do dope street, and blare loud music at the middle of the night.
Neighbors say it's a problem. Donuts, large groups. A YouTube video shows donuts. They are in the operational phase of trying to stop these groups engaging in what they call swinging and describe as reckless and illegal behavior.
You stop them here, they just go somewhere else.
What up, Dope Theft fam? Your boy Headlight with another video. Today we're gonna be doing a little family DIY project. Tell them what we're gonna do, Chan.
We're painting.
So we bought these canvases, guys, at Michael's. Picked up some paints. I don't know if you guys have seen on TikTok how they have those canvases where they just squirt the paint on the canvas, and then on the other side they hold it to a drill and they just spin the canvas so it makes a cool design. That's what we're gonna try to do. Well, at least I'm gonna try to do that. They're gonna just paint their canvases, I think.
Mommy, I'll try this.
But yeah, let's go ahead and start taping this canvas on. First, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put Dope Theft in the middle.
Mommy, you give me a little one. Like, just spread.
So hopefully,
Spread.
by putting this decal on, once the paint is splattered on the canvas, when I peel the decal off, it will just leave the black canvas in the background.
And then they'll say like Dope Theft, right? That's sick.
Okay guys, there it is. So once I get the paint going, I'll just peel off the sticker. Hopefully it'll say Dope Theft on the bottom.
That's sick.
Is it me also say? Where is the Dope Theft in painting? Mom, I got colors here. Mommy,
I'm
look
gonna get a
it.
shorter screwdriver so it's not as long and wobbly.
Oh, look it, Mama. Hi, Mama.
Hello, what are you doing, Bebe?
I'm drawing a rainbow for me.
Cute. Are you gonna hang it in your wall?
Yes. Mama, look it.
So I'm trying to do something like this, a pattern just on the
They're
side.
doing the log.
But I don't know if I'm gonna be able to.
Mom, they're doing the log. Okay.
Alright guys, so this is the product right now. You can see, Dope Theft. You got the drill taped underneath so we can spin it. Now all I gotta do is get into a safe spot. So I'm just gonna dump the paint like this. Once I'm done dumping the paint, I'm gonna flip it and start letting it spin. So let's see, we'll start off with red. Never tried this, guys, so this is my first try, so don't judge me on how it comes out. Pretty much all they did was designs like this. Grab another paint. Did a design like this. And then just to give it this touch.
Hi. Hi.
Okay guys, here comes the fun part. Move away.
That looks dope.
This is the final design, guys. I think I'm happy with that. Kind of gives me like the Spider-Man vibe. Should we spin it a little more? I think we're spinning a little.
Yeah, a little bit more.
Watch out. Alright, that should be good, guys. Now we're gonna let it dry. Let's see how it comes out. We're gonna let that dry.
Leave it right there, baby.
This is gonna look dope, guys. Hopefully the dope def in the background peels to get that cool effect I'm trying to get. Alright, so I decided, guys, to go over the painting where the decal is, all in red, because I realized if I peel the decal and the paint's not covering the full decal, you're not gonna be able to see the full letter. So this is the best second thing I could do. Like I said, this is my first try, guys, so it's not like I already knew what I was doing. But we'll see how it goes. We'll let that dry. Update on Cheyenne's painting.
Don't show mine yet.
Just a sneak peek. Looking pretty good so far. Cheyenne decided she wants to try the spinning on her painting. And since she painted this, what we're gonna do is just add black on top so it can make that effect, but it'll leave her painting in the background so you can still see it. So let's go ahead and tape up the screwdriver to the canvas so we can spin it. Where you're gonna decide what design you want. Okay?
You should do circles.
Do you want to do circles or do you want to do lines?
Circle.
Okay, so grab the paint
And do circles.
and then you're gonna
Help
squeeze
her
it
out.
and do circles, okay?
Okay. Mommy.
No, but you can't do a lot because you gotta stay in the circles. Yeah, like that.
Ready?
Hold this. Go walk with mama.
Go over here, baby.
You ready, guys?
Yes.
That's sick.
That's her drawing, guys, and her design.
Let me do it again.
Deadpool.
What do you guys think for the first drawing I've done? Dope depth. This is sick. Now that I'm looking at it, I probably should have done it the wrong way.
That doesn't scare me. Go
Are you a big girl?
Comment down below, guys, if you guys want me to do more of these and maybe sell them.
I'm going.
Or maybe do one for a giveaway.
I'm going with that.
Try to do one of these for a giveaway, guys. Give me 100 thumbs ups and I'll make more of these for giveaways.
I want to see your painting. Mom.
Alright, guys, this is the final painting. As you can tell, I went over the letters on the outside with some white paint to make it stand out a little more. And I think it looks pretty good. There's what Cheyenne is. We're thinking about adding a big C in the middle. C for Cheyenne. Yeah. She looks sick. Well, that's it for the video, guys. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you think this was a good project. And if I should do more for some giveaways, let me know. Here it is hung up already in my room. What do you guys think? Goes with the theme. Catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.
Subscribe to Dope Dust.
Perfect.